Why is there a bug trying to get into my room from the outside my window? Like, no. Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. So as you can tell, it's something I've never ever done on this channel before, and I'm super excited to do it and take you on this DIY journey with me, because I've never actually done a full-on DIY that I'm gonna film at the same time. So basically, I love my Zara patch jeans. I've had them for 2 years and I live in them, and I just want something else with patches on that I can just call my own. I'll show you them now. So it's basically these ones, and we've got oh yeah on the other leg, and if you follow me on Instagram at Franalibi, you will see loads of outfit of the day photos with me wearing these, because they are my like #1 go-to. So I really want to make my own jeans with really cute patches on that I can also wear to death and just love with all my heart, and they will go with everything that I wear. So I popped into Primark without thinking about it, and then I saw these amazing wide leg crop jeans. They just look like this, and they've got amazing wide legs, and they've sort of been hacked at the bottom. I wouldn't say hacked because that sounds very aggressive, but they've just been like cropped, and it just looks like it's been DIY'd already, so that steps over. But these were £15, a little bit on the pricey side, but it's so soft. They feel like Zara jean quality, which is amazing. And I just thought, you know what, patches will look amazing on these. Got these a size 8, they fit perfectly. So your gal went on skinnydip.com and bought herself 5 patches, and I have favourite child. Don't know if you can see. Can you see the reflection? There you go. I got a fluffy watermelon, got a flame heart, that's pink, totally my aesthetic, and I've got peach because I love peaches, and a fried egg just to add a bit of food dimension to it. And I'm gonna put these on my jeans, and these are iron-on patches. Half of these were in the sale, half of these were full price. I feel like the peach and the favourite child one was full price, and these ones were £3 in the sale. So if you guys want to create these for yourself, definitely check out Skinny Dip. They've got really affordable patches, and these ones just iron on, and there's instructions on the back, and we're going to follow them today, and they sound really simple. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it works. It will work, trust me, because I wouldn't want to wear these. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how this result turns out, because I'm so excited for this, I've been waiting like a whole week to film this video, then carry on watching. So the first thing you want to do, remove your patches from the packet and just arrange them on your jeans, dress, jean jacket, denim jacket, whatever you call it, and choose the positions that you want. Once you're happy with how your patches are looking on your garment, it's time to actually iron them on and make your jeans look really snazzy, which is probably my favourite part.
Make sure your fabric is flat. Peel the backing off the patch and apply the fabric, pressing firmly. With your iron on, a low to medium heat setting, place the tea towel over the patch. Press the iron over the tea towel to gently heat the patch for no more than 5 seconds at a time. Apply it several times, allowing the patch to cool in between each application of heat until the patch is stuck firmly. To wash the garment, turn the garment inside out and wash on a synthetic heat setting. These patches are designed for one-time applications, blah blah blah. If you need cares, repeat the above steps to reapply.
If you guys want to screenshot it, you can. Now cut to the ironing on shots. I don't know why I'm doing this, but yay! Apologies if the lighting is different and the camera angle is slightly off from when I first started the video, but it's actually later in the day after I've done the DIY and I've got them here to show you guys. And this is the finished jeans. I'm so freaking happy. As you saw, I had to get my mum to help me because they just weren't sticking on. I was getting really sad about it. With a few little tries, they stuck on and they just look so freaking cute. So I got all the food up here. I got peach, fried egg and fluffy melon, and it's so cute. And then on this leg is the favourite child and the heart, which I think just complements each other so well. And yeah, overall I'm super happy and I can't wait to wear these. I definitely feel like one of those cool Tumblr kids, you know how they're like always posing next to sunflowers or taking photos of bees. Definitely look out for outfits of the day in the summer of my Instagram, because I will be planning to take this with me to Brighton and take pictures there, and maybe on days out next week for my birthday. Yay! So cue the happy shots of me modelling the jeans in my garden. Inspiration for creating your own patch style denim garments or whatever type of clothing you want to add patches to, and definitely check out Skinny Dip. They got loads of patches in the sale. Most of these, 3 of these were actually in the sale, and yeah, they're amazing quality, they feel amazing, and I just hope they're gonna last a long time. So give this video a thumbs up if you like DIYs and my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell below to get updates on the next upload. I will not be uploading a video next week as it is my birthday and I want to take a well-earned break. So I will see you the week after with a haul of what I got for my birthday, because I love those videos. I'm literally the nosy person and love filming those videos. Have a great weekend and the rest of the week, and I will see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.